Hello, you're watching 100 plus garden designs and welcome to my channel Mr. Home Decor. This will be very exciting video because in this video I will show you the top trending and modern garden designs in 2023. Well, this is not relate to anybody who has a small house or who has a large house. This is for everyone. If you're living in a small house, if you are living in a large house, it doesn't matter at all. It's basically gives you the idea to how to make a garden in your home and which design you can adopt for your garden in your houses, in your cottages, in your farmhouse, and in everything. So let's start it. Okay, people do maintain their gardens and a lot of difficulties they face, that how to design the proper structure, how it will be the overlook of your gardens, because you can find an architecture of a building for the house, for the shop, for the mall, but basically you cannot find the proper architecture for your garden. There are people available, but they are very expensive and they are very costly, and they do charge with per square feet, and the charges in the US market are very high. So in this video I will show you these all images so that you can get idea that how to design your garden. Got it? So let's just start from this image. This is a simple image which would have a roof wall, would have a wall around it with made of steam. This is a simple plantation on your backyard, and people are keeping chairs on it so that it can look beautiful. Beautiful stones have been kept with your sidewalk area so that it can look beautiful. Well, this is a very proper gardening, and this is it will be very small house. It is only two-room house and have decorated the beautiful garden. Well, this one is also a small garden. It also decorate its spacious space with the beautiful pergola top. This one look nice and little bit expensive, but all the work has been made of wood, so it's not too much expensive. While talking about the flowers in the garden, you have to keep try and for the gardens flower, because their season specifically for the specific flowers. You cannot grow the summer flowers in the winter, or you cannot grow the winter flowers in the summer, or you can build the flower wall also. It can enhance the beauty of your house and of your garden. The another thing is that you have to be very selective for the furniture for your garden. I recommend that the furniture should be very selective to the rain, because in some parts of the US the raining is there will be raining for all the years, for years, and so people usually take steps to protect their gardens and their chairs. Okay, so these images now starting from the backyard garden designs, that was images for the general gardens, but these are the backyard gardens. So what are backyard gardens? Normally in the US, in the United States, people do have a small space in their backyard or just behind their home. They do prefer to make a garden on that area, and they invest heavily and they work very hard to decorate those spaces, because usually the people do drink over there, they do parties over there, they celebrate festivals over there. Please subscribe my channel and do comment or like our video. Our team will work very hard to give you a video for that. The backyard garden space sometimes is very spatial and very small, and sometimes it's very large. So it depends which is what space do you have, which how many space and how much space do you have. So this space is a very nice with your dog over it. So please subscribe my video and like my channel, and subscribe it. I will collectively giving you all the images and all the things you will need in your garden.